I bought this thing 4 years ago. My life has went downhill ever since.
Dude. So today we're here with Jason and his Rocket Bunny Z. Rocket Bunny, right?
It's Rocket Bunny Z, yeah.
We're gonna be reviewing his car. This is his nice car. So, anyway.
It's a car.
Why did you get the Z?
I just kind of always liked them. Since playing Xbox when I was like, I don't know, like 11, I've always liked the 350Z. And then I kind of like grew out of it as I got tired of them. And then I wanted a BRZ so bad. I don't know what, like right when they came out, I wanted one. And then they came out the Rocket Bunny kit on it and I'm like, damn, I want that. But I couldn't afford that. So time goes on, you know, get out of high school. And I saw Z's were like dropped in price and I was like, I could get that, and here we are. It's a 2003, and so it's the DE. I don't have oil consumption issues, I just have oil leaks.
How many miles do you have on it?
164, 165, somewhere in that range.
What year is it?
It's a 2003.
You already said that.
I asked that already.
Yeah, you did. I first got the car and it was on some spray painted purple XXRs. It was silver. It was a little rough around the edges, but it wasn't that bad.
No.
And I got it for a pretty good price, especially right before the Z's really died in price. Like they went down, but they weren't at its lowest point. So it wasn't bad, and I forgot what I was gonna say. I honestly forgot what I was gonna say. Well, I broke 2 of those wheels, and I was pretty low on money because I was saving up for coilovers. So I ended up buying another set of XXRs, don't toast me. I'll really cut that there. Ended up buying BC coilovers, and yeah, and then I finally saved up. So I ended up saving enough money, and I was trying to figure out what I want to do with the car, and I stumbled upon a guy that was selling a used Rocket Bunny when I was trying to help my buddy buy a Z. And it was a pretty good price. It was just the fender, so I had to buy the bumper and the wing and everything separate. I got that. I didn't know what color I wanted to paint it. I wanted to do red originally. I'm kind of glad I didn't, because everyone does red. Yeah, just saved up money, figured out what wheels I wanted to put, and booyah. One tip for everybody: if you get a lot of money, if you just stumble upon a bag of money somewhere, or you just save up for your whole life, you save up and you save up and you save up and you get all this money that you work so hard for, and you buy a car and you just throw all your money at it, you could have a cool car and you can be homeless. Quick tip. Instead of going with like the Rocket Bunny splitters and everything, I decided to go the custom route. So I hit up a guy in Miami, JF Custom, shout out. We did a custom front splitter, a custom side splitter, and then we recently just did this custom rear diffuser, which not many people have aggressive rear diffusers like this on 350Zs. But I think it looks great and it's purposeful. It actually works. It has some downforce, but got a bumper cut, which you should do if you own a 350Z. So to get these taillights, I had to custom make them because they don't sell a fully clear. They have Euro tails, which have a red line down there. And everyone thinks I got a set of JDM tails and took the red part out. But I got a set of eBay tails for the LED style. And I bought another set of eBay tails with a clear lens. And I just swapped the lenses. It's that easy, even though it was not easy to do. But it looks good. And everyone asked me how I got it, so. So I ended up going with the Big Country Labs wing because everybody with a Rocket Bunny kit has either a Battle Arrow or the Rocket Bunny like ducktail. And I try to be different with the car. So I ended up going with a BMW Long Beach Blue for the paint color because the car needed to be painted. It was rough, so I figured I'd paint it instead of wrap. So I went with BMW Long Beach Blue for the paint code because 1, I've never seen a 350Z with it, and 2, it's just amazing. BMW makes great blues. I needed brakes, so I ended up swapping them. I put the Brembos on from I pieced them together. So from either Z's or G's, I had them. So I pieced them together. I rebuilt them with all like the new seals. I painted them a purple color. I just went to Pep Boys and I was like, wow, that looks like a nice purple. That would go with the blue. It didn't, but it looks good. I like it.
Time's up, bud.
What the fuck is that? So with the wheels, I decided to go with the Work T7R. I haven't seen a Z with them, and I just actually haven't seen almost any car really on them. I ended up going with them. I wanted a white face because when I picked the blue, I figured a white and blue would go really well together because red and white went good. So yeah, that was awkward.
My buddy just texted me saying we're gonna eat and get some nipple piercings, then we're free.
So I'm still on my stock engine, 165,000 miles is still kicking. I ended up going with the Z1 intake. I did a 5/16 plenum spacer, Z1 test pipe, Z1 Y pipe, and AC power catback. And then I got it tuned by Z1, like remote tune through Z1. Then I'm running a Mishimoto radiator and the silicone hoses, which is a must. Yeah, it's pretty stock for the most part, but it moves. All right, so in the interior, all I did is a grip oil steering wheel with the quick release. Nice little eBay shifter. I put a doubled in radio because the other one decided to blow up. That's pretty much it for the inside, but I do have plans on doing bucket seats, probably harnesses.
Look at how nice that is. That looks a little familiar. Where'd you get that?
Stole it from Mason.
Got the grip oil GT wheel.
For more performance and suspension wise, I'm gonna do the Z1 poly bushings all in the rear for the diff bushings, and then mostly just motor stuff, because I wanna be a fast guy. So I do plan on possibly buying another motor and possibly building it. I like the VQ just because I like the way it sounds. Most people don't, but I do. And I just want something more reliable because this one is getting a little bit there up in age, and I kinda wanna build a motor and slap a Vortex supercharger in it for fun. Why not? Reese.
Hi, how are you? All right, Jason, thank you for donating your car.
Wait, what? Charity? No, I spent a lot of money on this.
Bro, we didn't tell you when you agree to let us shoot your car, we actually take it.
So when I
Yeah.
signed that form,
Yeah, you're done. That's ours now. It's fine, don't worry. You'll be carless and homeless. All right, Jason, well, thank you for letting us review your car today. Any last words you'd like to say? Where can they follow you and DM you and annoy you on Instagram?
you can follow me and ask me all about my taillights at It's Your Girls MCM. That's it. That's all I got. I mean, you can add me on Facebook if you want, but I'd prefer. You do. I kind of keep that family oriented. Yeah, please don't. Yeah, just edit that part out.
Can't. Whatever.
Did you wash your hands?
Is that even on?
Did you wash your hands?
What's that?
This man was just eating a
like-
salad with
With a
It's like when
glove.
you wash your hands
Don't put that
in
in.
I really want to so bad.
Okay, maybe for a second. Hold on. Nom, nom. We're so retarded here.
So I ended up going with a BMW
It's not that hard to speak. You were born in America, right?
No, baby talk is my first language. So
So it's the stupidest fucking
I know. Yo, this video is gonna be so much longer, just bloopers than the whole car.
Reese, I'm so sorry you have to edit this.
Yeah, I feel bad you gotta edit this too, to be honest with you. That's just a 350Z with a purple tune.
14 days.
I can't wait, dude. He's gonna be editing it till next Friday.
We're not gonna get it in 2 weeks.
Be like, Reese, the video has to be Friday.
He'll be like, dude, I'm still editing it.
2 years later. Oh my god.
The blooper scene's like 3 hours long so far. All right, so, all right. So I ended up going with BMW Long Beach.